Good morning children. Good morning everyone. I'm back with our today's online class. We have learnt the letters from letter A to letter N. Right? So today we are going to learn the letters O and P. Let's start with our first letter O. Which letter is this? This is O. Which letter is this? This is also O. Big O, small O. Mama O, baby O. Baby O means small. Babies are small, so this is small O. Mamas are big, so this is big O, mama O. So, the sound of letter O is O. Look at my mouth carefully. The sound letter, we pronounce the letter is O, but the sound is O. O, O. Got it? There is difference between the letter pronunciation and sound. The letter sound is O. Okay? O. And the sound of letter O is O. 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 Not O. O is letter. But the sound of letter O is O. O. Okay? How do we switch on and switch off the lights? हम lights कैसे switch on और off करते हैं switch को? ऐसे? Right. You got it. So, the sound of letter O is O, 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 O. Now see how I am switching off and on the switch. O, O, O. So the sound of letter O is O, O, O. And there are so many and several words from letter O. Tell me, what is this? This is an orange. O, orange. O, orange. Not orange. है ना? हम ऐसे नहीं बोलते orange. No. Orange. O, orange. O, orange. Okay? And we also have a little poem to remember the sound of O. Now listen carefully with the help of your listening ears. Are you ready? Okay. Now it's dark, the light goes on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the light goes off. Oh, 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 oh. Now repeat after me. Now it's dark, the light goes on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the light goes off. Oh, 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 oh. Got it? Very good. So the sound of letter O is O, O. Good. Now, the next letter is, what comes after letter O? O, P, P. So which letter is this? P, Mama P. And this is baby P. See, what is the difference between Mama P and baby P? We write Mama P, big P in the upper three lines. And we write baby P, small p in the lower three lines. Okay? So this is Mama P, and this is baby P. Okay? Big P, small p. And P for parrot. P. Very good. Now, the sound of letter P is P. P. How do we blow the candles? Candles कैसे बुझाते हैं? Right? So imagine this is a candle. And how do we blow the candle? Okay? So, the sound of letter P is P, P, P. Got it? Now, P, pencil, P, pencil, P, pen, P, pen, P. The action of letter P is, and the sound of letter P is P, P, P. Blow the candle. P, P. Okay? And we have a song for remembering the sound of letter P. Listen carefully. Puff out the candle on the pink big cake. Pink big cake. Puff, puff, puff. Puff, puff, puff. Puff out the candle on the pink big cake. Puff, puff, puff. One more time. Repeat after me. Puff out the candle on the pink big cake. Puff, puff, puff. Puff, puff, puff. Puff out the candles on the pink big cake. Puff, puff, puff. I hope you enjoyed our 2 little songs. Okay, now keep learning the sounds of letter O and letter P. The sound of letter O is O, O, and the action is O, O. The sound of letter P is P, P, and the action is P, P. This is it for today. Keep learning our phonic sounds from A to P. Thank you so much.